Hey everybody, welcome back to Carbon's DIY Garage. TDSR has just recently started to idle a little bit higher than normal. It used to idle around 600 or 800 RPM. Now it's idling around 1,000 or 1,200. So we're going to go ahead and clean the throttle body and the idle air controller and see if that doesn't get us back into the normal range. First thing we got to do is start it up, and you'll see that it'll be the first start of the day, so it'll go up pretty high and then come back down, and we should see it settle out around 1,000 or 1,200. So the Jeep's obviously cold, so it idles a little bit higher, but this is a little bit higher than normal. So we're gonna just go and do a quick video on using throttle body cleaner to clean out the IAC and the throttle body itself. So TDSR is the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, but this should work the same way for the 6-cylinder. The idle air controller is right here, the IAC. This slit is where air goes into the IAC. So there's two things I'm going to do. One is just squirt some throttle body cleaner in here, probably go through about a third of the can. Spray some in here while the engine's running, while it's idling. It'll probably kill the engine. Clean out the IAC. You do this a number of times just to get throttle body cleaner going through there, clean everything out. Then spray the rest of the can into the throttle body while going up and down on the RPMs, just to get everything cleaned out. You can see the outside of the throttle body is a bit of a mess as well. I took the air intake off and the coupler as well, so you got the throttle body exposed. And I'm going to do it all right here on the Jeep. So I don't know if you can tell the difference, but after I've been doing this for a little while, the motor's a lot quieter. And I don't know if that's because it's getting up to temperature and pulling in less idle air, or if it's because it's actually cleaning out the IAC. But the RPMs have dropped quite a bit, and way better than it was when I first started this. So after doing about a third of the can at idle, going into the idle air controller, I did about another third of the can into the throttle body, revving the engine. I could have done the whole can, but the TDSR gets pretty loud when you rev it. It's Sunday morning, and I'm worried about the HOA coming after me, so I decided to cut it off because the RPMs had dropped down to a pretty good level. So I'll start it up and show you where it's at. If you subscribe to the channel, you know that a couple months ago I actually replaced the idle air controller, and maybe I didn't even need to do that. Maybe if I had just cleaned it, everything would be just fine. But either way, thanks for watching. Hope this video is helpful, and subscribe to the channel so you can see whatever project's coming up next. So let's see what it looks like. And there we go. That's the RPMs we're looking for, right around 800 or so. And with that, we'll call this video a wrap. Until the next one, have a good one.